Hey there, Los Angeles homeowners. Thinking about giving your kitchen a fresh look in 2026? You're in the right place. At ProHands Home Improvement, we know how important it is to have a kitchen that's both functional and stylish. Today, we'll guide you through the costs of remodeling your kitchen here in LA, so you can plan your dream makeover with confidence. Several factors influence the cost of a kitchen remodel in Los Angeles. From the quality of materials you choose to the complexity of your project, each decision impacts your final bill. Let's break down these cost factors. Now let's talk numbers. Depending on your choices, kitchen remodels can vary widely in price. Here's a look at what you can expect to spend. To make your remodeling journey smoother, we've gathered some expert tips. These will help you save time, money, and avoid common pitfalls. Ready to start your kitchen remodel? Visit ProHandsHandyman.com to schedule your free estimate. With over a decade of local experience, ProHands is LA's trusted choice for quality and satisfaction.